Hi there everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install an electric fan on your Holley Sniper EFI, and I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to test it. And I'm going to try to do it all in less than 5 minutes because I know you guys are busy. So let's get started. Okay, so you're going to need a few things for this install. The most important being a relay. I'm using a 4-pin 30 amp relay. This is a standard Dorman universal relay. I'll throw a link to it down in the description for you guys. Alright, so you've got your relay. Now you're also going to have to find some wires on your vehicle. You need a 12 volt power supply. You need a switched 12 volt power supply or ignition 12 volt power. You also have to find the light blue or the light green wire on the 10-pin harness on the Holley Sniper EFI. And you also just need some extra wire to run power and ground to your electric fan. Okay, so don't make fun of my drawing, but here's a little diagram you guys can follow for the wiring. For post number 30 on the relay, you want to have the constant 12 volt power supply. Post number 86, you want the switched or your ignition 12 volt power supply. Post number 85, you want the Holley Sniper, either the light blue or the light green wire. And lastly, post 87, I believe, is the 12 volt power supply to the fan. And then once you have the fan wired up with power, you can run a ground from the fan to the frame, chassis, wherever you can get a ground at. Alright, so I've got everything set up. It's just rough wired right now. I still have to go through and put heat shrink on everything. But the power and the ground's all set up. It is good to go. So we are ready to get onto the Holley Sniper EFI here and get everything set up, and I'll show you guys how to test this stuff out. Okay, you guys have everything wired up. We are good to go. The last thing we have to do is set up the fans on the Holley Sniper right here. Let's turn this thing on. Your regular boot up here. The menu screen is going to come on. First thing you're going to do is go to tuning. You're going to go to system. Okay, now you're going to go to outputs. Now you have your fan 1, which is the light blue on the Holley Sniper harness, and fan 2, which is the light green. So you have your fan on temperature and your fan off temperature. Those are pretty clear what they do, but to test to see if we wired the fan correctly, what you want to do is go to the fan off. Put that down to something below whatever your engine temperature is at. I'll just do 8 degrees. Take your fan on and put that something just below that fan off temperature, or just above it. Hit save and the fan should kick on. Let's test it out. Alright, awesome guys. That worked out great. Now we can shut the fan back off so we can hear. But you guys can go through and you can change these parameters to whatever it is you'd like. Okay guys, you guys are all set up for your electric fan on the Holley Sniper EFI. You can change your parameters to whatever you need them to be. But hopefully I was able to help somebody out with that. If there's anything else you guys want to see on this Holley Sniper stuff, let me know. Maybe I can answer your question, or maybe I can make a video about it. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys later.